Hey guys, it's Jake here with eTrailer. Tire chains are one of the unsung heroes when it comes to winter supplies. They can be as equally frustrating as they are important to have on hand. Today, we're gonna go over a couple of things to hopefully help you to understand better what is the proper fitment of a tire chain on your specific tire. Trust me, you're not alone in this frustration. Before you purchase any tire chains, you wanna be sure to check a few things. You wanna check what tire chains are going to be able to fit your vehicle based off its restrictions. Those restrictions can be found in the owner's manual of your vehicle. You also want to check your tire size so that you get the right tire chain to fit the tire on your vehicle. You can use our fit guide to be able to figure that out. And you also want to pick the tire chain style that is going to best suit your needs. We also have another video that will show the styles of tire chains and what applications are best used for. Now, when you're installing your tire chains, you may wonder how they're actually supposed to fit. Before tightening any of the tensioners on these tire chains, the self-tensioning tire chains are going to have the most wiggle room. The cam tensioning tire chains are going to have a little bit of wiggle room, and the tire chains without any tensioning system on them are going to have the least amount of wiggle room. That's why we recommend using a set of rubber tensioners on any set of tire chains that do not have a tensioning system on them. All tire chains are designed to fit a certain range of tires. So, for example, a tire chain that is designed to fit a 31 to 35 inch tire, if you have a 31-inch tire brand new and it's 50% worn down, your tire chain's going to be too loose because it's at the bottom of that range. That's why you always want to get a set of tire chains where your tire size is as close to the top of that range as you can, so you have all that adjustability to be able to adjust the chains when your tire wears down. A good rule of thumb is that your finger is not supposed to be able to fit between the tire chain and your tire. So for example, on the set of tire chains we have on this tire here, these are going to be way too loose to be able to safely travel down the road. Some of the factors that go into a tire chain fitting properly is tread wear, tire pressure, and wheel well clearance. Just keep in mind that tire chains are not one size fits all. The last thing we want to leave you guys with is you want to be sure to practice installing your tire chains before you need them. This is going to make it so much smoother for when you actually need to install them to drive down the road. If you guys have any more questions about tire chains, feel free to drop them in the comments below. And if you just can't find the right tire chains to fit your vehicle, feel free to call our customer service department and they will be sure to help you find the right chains for your vehicle.